beautiful one. This is called Audit of Cinema Halls. Let's start. Cinema Halls, great story. And let's do it with me one by one. Simple story. Okay, let's start with me in a simple manner. Super easy. I think if this comes in the examination, our students are killing it. Okay, killing it. Now, this is basically first is you go to the cinema hall or one of the students in your batch. I told that he goes with his family. I think it was Harshvardhan. No, I think it was Jawahar. Was it in your batch, Jawahar? Javagar, yeah, I think it was him, right? It was him. Yeah. So Javagar goes with his family towards the towards the cinema. So there, in that case, I had told you that Javagar, when he goes there, the person at the ticket counter is the responsible official. He's the person who is responsible. He has the tickets in his custody. So with this, we remember 2 points. Inventory of tickets is kept in the custody of the responsible official, and tickets are serial numbered and bound into books. So serial numbered and bound into books. Jawaharlal was very curious regarding what were those red colored tickets. So it was the advance bookings. So then the tickets were given to him. He counts the tickets. One, two, three, four. That is your number of tickets issued. And he gets the entry only based on the printed tickets. So entrance to cinema hall only based on the printed tickets. Scene one done. So in the exam, they ask you internal control mechanism. In that case, you will write there scene one. Okay. Scene two now. The person who is a responsible official that at the ticket counter, he will first he will first look at the statement of tickets issued and ensure that that much cash has been collected. Whatever cash is collected, he'll make the entry in the cash book. So that is 6 and 7C. Statement of tickets issued, sold, and cash collected is agreed. And seventh one is also entries in the cash book. We'll check. Okay. And after that, what will happen is everything will keep in the drawer. Knock, knock. Who is there? The chief minister of the state. So in Karnataka, we had taken the example of Siddharam. Correct. No. So now, if he is the chief minister, in that case, he will ask for the entertainment tax collected. Simple. And then after that, if then again we close the window, again somebody knocks at the window. This is the distributor. If the movie is a hit, then distributor will give you the bill, and you will make the payments. And if the movie is a flop, in that case, you will ask the distributor to give back the unadjusted advance balance. If the distributor runs away, it means the amount is irrecoverable. So we'll create a provision. That is how we did it. Simple. Scene three. Jawaharlal and his family go and first purchase samosa, popcorn, and all these things. With that, we kept in mind the share in the restaurant income. Next point, they go inside and they sit to watch the movie. He does not recline back. He's sitting normally without reclining, and he sees first that Vico turmeric ad comes. So you think that this Vico company must have given the cinema owner advertisement income. After the Vico turmeric ad gets over, the cinema hall owner himself comes on the screen and says, "Please come send your family to see more and more cinemas. We suffered a lot of losses during COVID time, all these things." That is your advertisement expenses. So we have these points here. See here, Vico turmeric ad, charges collected for advertisement slides, and the cinema hall owner himself coming on the screen, expenditure incurred on advertisement. Are you there with me? Yes or no? Last but not the least, then Javagal he reclines back on his seat, falls down. The seat is completely depreciated. So we had the point in this class called that depreciation on furniture and machinery. And last, because he fell down and the service from the cinema hall owner was not proper, he gets free passes. This is how we collected. Will entire area recap properly. This completes this part here. Okay, that completes audit of cinema halls. Okay.